Hi, let's look at the features and benefits of Philips CoreLine High Bay. These high bays save up to 65% of energy over conventional alternatives, with an efficacy of up to 160 lumen per watt. CoreLine High Bay is available in 3 sizes. It has IP65 and IK08 ratings. The light distribution is offered in wide and narrow beam. Furthermore, it has a low glare due to design of the optics. There are different dimming options, DALI, but also smart lighting control. This means the luminaires can be wirelessly connected to our smart lighting platform Interact Pro. Installation is easy and fast with a 3-pole connection unit. It has a pre-mounted connector. Thanks to its compact design and low weight, it is easy to handle. It is served with a hook, and there is an optional mounting bracket and a pipe available. As a plus, the luminaire has the ENEC mark. Thanks for watching.